Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon, kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, nahulog na agad itong dalawang cards natin dito. Page of Cups and the Death card, Scorpio energy. Scorpio vibes. Okay, so maaaring itong taong ito na, ayan one of your option, may mga offerings dito, love offering, commitment, maaaring interesado to sa'yo. Obsessed energy din tong taong ito, and tignan pa natin. Oops. So, 7 of Cups. Page of Cups, the Queen of Wands, that card, the 9 of Cups. So, wish fulfillment. So, parang ikaw yung kanyang talagang gusto niya, gustong-gusto niya. And then, nahulog itong hangket natin. The Page of Swords and the Lovers. Uy! 5 of Wands. Okay. Maring divine counterpart energy. So, marami lang kayong conflicts itong taong to. Marami kayong mga hadlang, kumbaga. And differences. Maraming hahadlang sa inyo nitong taong to, or ayaw nila na maging kayo, or ayaw nila na magkaroon kayo ng something nitong taong ito. It's more on divine counterpart energy, kaya maraming conflicts. Pwedeng twin flames pala kayo. Kaya ganun ka-intense, and parang isipin nyo na, bakit ang daming hadlang? Bakit parang you and me against the world, ang energy, ganun. Parang ayaw kayong pagsamahing dalawa. Para kayong tubig at langis, ganun. Tingnan natin, anong message ng Archangel sa Bog? Okay. So, chaotic Okay, so we have here, remember who you are. Marami na kayong, nitong taong to past life. This is your past life lover. So, remember who you are by Archangel Michael. You are a powerful, loving, and creative child of God. You are very loved. Wow. So, marami na kayong past life na pinagsamahan nitong taong to. Kaya ganun na lang ka-intense. Alam mo yung unang beses na nagkaharap kayo nitong taong ito, parang kakaiba, out of this world, very weird yung feeling, yung vibes, and para talagang hindi mo siya explain ng words sa dictionary, parang ang out of this world, ganun. Walang words sa dictionary makakapag-explain kung ano yung naramdaman ninyo sa isa't isa. So, tingnan natin. We have here the bonfire and lighthouse, tide, broom, open book, and medication. Ayan. Crystal ball. So, may mga natali sa karmic partner, lalo na nung past life ninyo. Siguro nung past life nyo, hindi kayo nagkatuluyan talaga ng taong to dahil may natali. May natali sa karmic partner. Lakas ng twin flame vibes dito. Ayan, this is your past life lover, past life, or a twin flame. Marami na kayong pinagdaanan nitong taong ito. Kaya nung unang meet nyo pa lang ay parang may something na parang, alam mo yung may mga parang trumpets akong naririnig na something, parang may bumukas na something na kakaiba. Portal ba ito? Sa ibang dimension. Parang ganun matindi, intense ang connection nito. I know I messed up everything. Pero dahil nga, intense connection to, may napaso, may bumitaw, and may natali sa isang wrong commitment, maling tao. Can't stop thinking about you. You speak to me through music. I knew exactly what I was doing. I wish I could take back my words. I wish I had treated you better. We need to let each other go, and I wonder if you're happy without me. Bottom card, the timing just wasn't right for us. So, hindi pa talaga right time. Mga panahong yun, separation, lalo na ng past life. Parang tragic ending din to eh. Tragic ending yun nangyari sa past life nyo. Na talagang so sad ng energy ng inyong past life. So, tingnan natin ano pa mga messages natin dito. So, may nakita rin kasi ako na naghihintay, parang umalis, maaring may umalis, sumakay ng barko. Kasi with this lighthouse, ito yung gabay ng mga seafarers lighthouse. May naghihintay dito, laging umaakyat sa lighthouse, tumatanaw kung kailan babalik yung taong yun doon sa lugar na yun or sa isla. Pero, hindi na siya bumalik. Yung pala may nangyari ng hindi maganda. So, ganun yung nangyari sa past life na to. Ayan. So, ngayon, this lifetime, you are looking for each other. And yung unang meet nyo talaga intense. Ayan o. You excite me. Waiting for you. Ayan o. Speaking of waiting, you're my happy pill. I'm so in love with you. Being defensive, I will start to save money. Letting you go, walking away, I can't let you go. Very contradicting. Letting you go, walking away, and I can't let you go. So, nag-walk away siya, nag-let go siya, pero hirap na hirap siyang gawin yun. Yan, I know I must have everything. Okay, bottom card, you're so sweet and caring. So, kuha tayo ng initials. Kasi, yan open book pa naman to. So, yun na nangyari cliffhanger, nangyari. Kumbaga, doon sa ending ng past life ninyo, open book. Hindi natapos kasi nga you're still waiting for that person to come back pero hindi na nangyari. Naghihintay ka dito sa lighthouse na to. Kumbaga parang ito yung tagpuan nyo Sabi niya babalik siya babalik ako, magkita tayo doon sa tagpuan nating dalawa which is to nga lighthouse. Pero hindi na siya bumalik. Pala may nangyari na. Parang it's in the era ng parang war. Ganon. Parang may war. PFA. Enye. W. X. Parang World War, ganun. Letter J. N. T. Bottom card natin, letter E. So, kuha tayo ng blue card. Obsession. Ay, may obsession energy nga. Attraction. And, yan OMG. Confirmation. Ayan, past life lover. Kinilabutan ako. Ayan, so confirmation na this person is your past life lover. Na ngayon, natagpuan nyo yung isa't isa in this lifetime. Kaya, marami kayong conflicts and then, kaya parang bumitaw kayo sa isa't isa. Pero, ayan, it's aiming for a second chance, second time around, okay, with this person. Maring twin flame, unfinished business, ayan, or soulmate, or kung ano man, tong past life lover na to, maring ang twin flame mo ito, na nag-meet kayo in this lifetime, na napakadami nyong hadlang, ayan. Pero eventually, kapag naayos to, ayan, open book, tingnan natin. Kasi kung ito ang iyong divine counterpart, meron kayong mission dito sa mundo. Ayan, para tulungan ng Earth, si Mother Earth, na pataasin ang kanyang frequency para sa New Earth. Ayan, so yan ang isa sa mga purpose ng twin flames. Kasi may purpose kayo nitong taong ito, kaya kailangan nyo magtagpo ulit na dalawa in this lifetime para tapusin itong mga unfinished business na ito in your past life. So, tingnan natin sa general signs and messages. We have here attractive, perfect smile, animal lover, and Scorpio. Gorgeous, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cold City, Travel, September, Neighbor, number 9, Taurus. Intelligent, July, Creepy Stalker, number 3, Chaser, Visayas, Flower, has a dirty sense of humor, sarcastic, 7, responsible, Aquarius, past person, Sagittarius, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, overthinker, good heart, last card, need more signs pa. Okay, last card na sana, need more signs pa daw. Libra, quiet person, and last card natin, we have, humabol talaga siya, twin flame. Okay, so confirmation din na it's a twin flame connection na hindi naman lahat may twin flame pero ayan na naman ang mga nasagap nating vibes, energies for today's reading. So ayan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.